How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. So maybe you'd like to try out an awesome meal at home without having to break the bank. And the good thing is you can achieve this without even going to the 5-star hotels or very classy hotels. This is something that is achievable. So I came up with the idea to do a challenge on a 3-course meal, which is something you can do at home without having to break the bank, and at the same time it's something you can enjoy even for 14th Feb on Valentine's Day with your partner. If this sounds like something you'd like to have, please continue watching and see how I'm going to be making my 3-course meal. Thank you. Let's head to the kitchen now. So I'm starting off by making butternut soup. I'm all done peeling. Now let's cut this into 2 halves. The seeds can be used for something else, so let me put them to this container. Them into small pieces. Adding salt. Now I'm putting water slightly above the butternuts. That's enough. And then I'm going to add the amount of heat to be more. Then cover it up. So the meat is boiling there. Now I'm going to add onions. So I'm about to get the butternut and let it cool a bit. Then I'll be able to use the blender to blend it once it's a bit cool, once it's a bit less hot. So here's the butternut. I'm waiting for it to cool. So as it cools, let me make the greens. So I now have my greens ready cut, and I also love the onions, so I'm going to cook them. So I've just added water to the beef stew and left it to heat more until it's ready. So now let's get back to making the greens. So I just added onions in here. Let me cook them. So now this is the butternut with water inside the blender, so I'm going to blend it in a few. So now I'm prepping the onion, then I'll go to gourgets and then finish up with the carrots. Then I'm going to fry all of them together. The greens are ready too. Ready carrots and courgettes as well. I'm now prepping yellow rice. So that's how it looks after mixing up. Let me cover it up for it to cook for a few minutes. After the few minutes, I'm going to add in water now. So water is slightly above the rice so as to avoid overcooking the rice. Then the heat, it's not too much so that it can cook well and the rice won't be mushy too. You should also avoid mixing up the rice until it's fully cooked. Butternut soup, main dish, and dessert. So that's it for this video. Kindly do make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon next time. Bye bye.